Alright guys, so I'm at the hospital right now, just getting all bandaged and fixed up. They just did my hand and foot, and they're doing my shoulder now. Just figured I'd chime in for a little. Basically, these are just to make sure that when they take off the bandages that it just doesn't get the scab ripped right off again, because after the first day that I came back and basically they just ripped off all my scabs. It was painful. Today should be all good. So this right here is by far our favorite Thai food we had the whole trip so far. Northern Thai food's probably the best. We got a dry cow soy, which was amazing. Then we got some type of minced pork dish, and it was really good. We basically just went off of her suggestions, and then we also got some fried chicken, and it was all so good. Like, definitely if you go to Chiang Rai, you have to try out this place because it was by far the best. Oh yeah, we also got some super pad Thai too, and it was good. Everything's good here, really affordable, totally recommend it. You guys have to go. Try it out, please. Tell them that I sent you. Alrighty guys, so started to heal up a little bit. We're out at the Blue Temple, so I figured I would do a little quick vlogging action just to show you guys how nice it is. We're gonna stay here. It's just about sunset now. You can see the golden hour. Healing up pretty nice on the face. My lip's not so swollen anymore. It's gonna get dried out, but yeah, everything looks nice here. What's up guys? Back at it, feeling a little bit better. It's starting to heal up a little bit. Got my wraps starting to come off. So we are on the way to the Big Buddha temple, which is called the Wat Wat Plakang. And
what was that?
Wat Wat Plakang. That's what it's called. And so yeah, we're gonna go check it out, see if we can catch the sunset in time there. And yeah, take you along the journey. See you soon. So just getting actually to go up to the Big Buddha now. Craziest thing, I was just driving, I'll show you guys shortly, but I was just driving my drone and I actually crashed it into the Big Buddha. Hopefully it isn't a sign of disrespect because I truly didn't mean to do it, but it happened. So yeah, you'll see at the end of the video. Whoops. Stopping between the dragons, take a cool little photo shoot. Made it up to the top. Check it out. Boom, baby. I think that's my signature phrase. Everybody give me a thumbs up if you like that. Boom, baby. So yeah, as you can see, it's all lit up to really give it a nice look at night too. It's pretty cool up here. Nobody's really up here. There's just another couple that just came up, but then you got the background is these two guys as well. And then you're just up chilling. Big Buddha, given that, I don't know what kind of sign, but pretty cool. And that's where I crashed my drone. Check it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, apparently you can actually go up there, but I don't know if it's closed like right now due to COVID things or if it's just closed in general. So we just finished up our breakfast at our favorite spot, our last day before we leave Chiang Rai. Papa Uno, that's what the short form is that they call it here. And yeah, we really liked it. The service is so good there. It kind of makes it, but the food is also outstanding. So it is a bakery and they have fresh bread and fresh croissants and fresh baked goods. And everything is so good that we've had there. The coffee is good. The breakfast was very good, and as you can see, it's in a great location. Boom, right by the clock tower. So yeah, I totally recommend coming here. It's our favorite spot in Chiang Rai. Definitely come and check it out. So we are here at the Black Temple or Black House. Just gonna check it out, show you guys what it looks like. It's apparently more of a museum than an actual temple. It looks pretty cool so far. Just got here and seems pretty empty. It's about to close in probably about an hour or so. We're gonna check it out and show you guys what it looks like. Let's go, baby. All right, when you walk in, you get to go through the mist, so check it. Very nice, very nice. So right when you walk in, you see a nice little pucho. Hey, puppy. And he's having fun. Yeah, take a look. This is the entryway. So yeah, we came in. Doesn't look like there's even anybody here, so we just chilling, checking it out. Looks pretty cool so far. There's a bunch of like immersive type art, and then there's a bunch of paintings as well. It's pretty cool. Statues, cool little stuff. It's just like, it's a vibe. It's a vibe, bro. A lot of cool paintings. I'm not really like a major art guy, but I do like sculptures and stuff like that, and like nice bright colors. Pretty attracted to bright colors, not gonna lie. So this one, cool eagle. That's what's up. This guy right here, that's my jam. I think it's a gorilla or a wolf. I don't know. Gorilla, red and black, my colors. That's what's up. So yeah, I'm just cruising around. Literally nobody here. Bunch of little things to check out. Nothing that crazy. I don't know if it's closed off or what, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Just a bunch of cool looking little pieces around. Show you guys. Alrighty folks, so just been kind of cruising around here. There's honestly, I don't know if all of it's closed, but our main highlight was this puppy, Mr. Pucho. And yeah, take a couple looks at some shots that I got here because I didn't get too much good video, honestly. Like, it is what it is. Check it out.